今日講嘅題目就係 refugee 難民，其中一個 pathway 去加拿大。我通常見到嗰啲 refugees 喺電視咧，都係啲人係走緊佬，帶咗幾個包，唔係咁多嘢或者好窮嘅。但係 refugee 唔係一定係話窮嘅，而有啲 refugee 係真係幾富有下嘅。比例，如果你係喺某個國家，喺非洲、巴基斯坦，咁你係喺政治上咁輸咗，咁勝者咧就追殺你，而你揾唔到政府保護你，揾唔到警察保護你，而你亦都冇辦法去嗰個國家另外一個地方唔被 persecuted。喺呢個情況咧係好 suitable 做 refugee 嘅，佢可以去到加拿大或者 United Nations country 係揾 protection。另外一種情況就係你個 social group， 比例你係一個同性戀嘅，你係一個國家喺歐洲 Ukraine 咁呢啲地方係天主教嘅地方，個 religion 係比較強單一 religion 天主教，根本係冇可能接受你係同性戀，然後你係受歧視你搬去第二度咧都冇辦法。咁如果你係喺 Ukraine 同性戀，你能夠去到加拿大，咁你可以申請protection 嘅，做 refugees。咁另外一種咧就係，如果係一個女人咧，佢係被強姦打咁然後佢有 for some reason， 例如佢個老公係警察嚟嘅，咁佢試過揾警察保護佢，冇辦法，然後佢試過再上訴係冇辦法嘅，因為個警察係夠 power 嘅咁呢啲情況咧，佢都可以係做 refugee， 如果佢能夠去到加拿大。咁另外啲情況就係佢個 race， 咁 Romania 係 make up 佢有白 Romanian 同埋黑 Romania， 因為 Romania 呢個地方咧係曾經好耐之前咧係有一批兵喺印度走過去歐洲打仗嘅，咁留喺度，咁we call them the gypsies， Roma gypsies， 咁呢個 race 咧係經常係被歧視，到現在仲係一個好大嘅問題。如果呢種人能夠離開到 Romania 去到加拿大，佢哋亦都會受保護。如果佢能夠證明到佢係被 persecuted， 加上揾唔到 protection from the state。咁另外一種咧就係個國籍。咁我哋講咗 race， 仲有 religion， 個 social group、nationality 同埋 political opinion。political opinion 咧，我記得我細個嗰陣時喺加拿大，我都遇到好多咁嘅人，佢哋因為唔中意共產黨。咁我強調 refugees 係一個 pathway 但係 refugees 有一樣嘢咧，你一定要記得，你行得呢條路，你唔好諗住翻轉頭，因為如果你翻轉頭，即係話當你申請嗰陣時，你係驚。You were looking for protection. You were scared. You're going to be persecuted. 但你翻去咧 it means that you're not scared. You lied. You misrepresented your case. 當你咁做 you will lose your permanent residency. You will lose the citizenship. A person that misrepresents can lose their citizenship. 咁如果我係揀坐監或者重新嚟過，我可能會揀重新嚟過。Refugees 喺加拿大係可以讀書嘅，可以做嘢嘅 allowed to study， 亦都有醫療。我強調 this is a one-way path。你唔會做一樣嘢，除非你唔諗住翻去。但係如果喺個情況係令到你冇可能係揾到 state protection。And it is the state that's actually persecuting you, and there is enough documentary evidence. 你可以做一個難民。